Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Do you know our hands ages faster than our face? Yes, our hands works for us every single day, so it's really important to pamper them like our face. In today's video, I will be showing you step-by-step process of doing manicure at home, which will make your hands soft and beautiful. If you are interested in it, then please keep on watching. First, I'm going to remove my old nail paint by using nail paint remover. If you have any old nail paint, then remove it, otherwise skip this step. After removing my nail paint, I'm going to trim my nails. I'm not going to cut my nails here. I wanted to grow a long nails, so I'm gently going to trim the edges. After trimming, I'm going to file them using soft crystal filer. Try to avoid metal filers as they may damage your nails, so use gentle filers and give them a desired shape. I like round shape, so I'm filing them in a round shape. Our nails may dry due to nail polish application, so just apply a little bit of oil onto your nails and hands and lightly massage and leave it there for good 5 to 10 minutes. Here I am using coconut oil. You can use whichever oil you have. Oil moisturizes the hands and nails. It also softens the cuticles. This step helps us to remove cuticles later on. After 10 minutes, your hands will absorb all the goodness of oil. Now place some hot water in a bowl. Add cleanser or body lotion into the water and soak your hands for good 1 minute. Make sure to check the temperature before putting your hands. We don't want to burn our hands, so check the temperature. After that, take your hands out and pat it dry. Now it's time to exfoliate our hands. Exfoliator will remove dry skin from our hands. So use gentle exfoliator. Here I'm using homemade coffee scrub. You can use body scrub or face scrub to exfoliate. Make sure to gently exfoliate your skin for good 30 to 40 seconds and wash it off later on. Now take a orange stick or cuticle pusher and gently push your cuticles backward. Cuticles protect our nails from bacteria and infection, so do not cut them, just lightly push it backward. If you have any hangnails, then cut them using cuticle cutter. I'm not using it because I don't have any hangnails, so I'm skipping that step. Now our hands are all clean and clear. It's time to apply your favorite nail polish. Before that, make sure to apply base coat first, wait for it to dry, then later on apply your colored nail polish. Last but not least, moisturize your skin and nails by using good moisturizing cream. Here I am using cocoa butter. You can use whichever cream you have. And that's it. The manicure is done. For best result, do this manicure at least once in a month. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, keep smiling. Bye.